How to request credit limit increase U.S. Bank. To request a credit limit increase with U.S. Bank, you have several options. Request online through your account. Log into online banking. Go to the U.S. Bank website and log into your account. Navigate to Credit Card Management. In your credit card account, look for an option like Credit Limit Increase. Follow the steps. U.S. Bank may ask for some basic information, such as your annual income and employment status, to assess your eligibility. Call the number on your card. Tell the representative you'd like to request a credit limit increase. They may ask for updated financial information. You can visit a nearby U.S. Bank branch to speak with a banker who can help you apply for an increase in person. Thanks for watching.